टेल क्या क्या लेने जा रहे हैं?
सुजुकी
सुजुकी वॉट?
हायाबुसा।
पर मैं बैठा हूँ प्रिया स्कूटर 1968 या 69 की। हाँ, मेरे ग्रैंडफादर की है। ये मेरे पापा की रॉयल इनफील्ड है। ये भी उनकी ही है। मेरे खानदान में किसी ने नहीं चलाई है हायाबुसा, और ना मेरे को चलाने आती है। द मेन पर्पस वाई वी आर बाइंग अ बूजा टेल
दोनों।
इज ओनली बिकॉज आई वॉन्टेड अ बाइक। एक बाइक चाहिए थी। Started from BMW CEO2, went to Aprilia RS457. Final decision we came to Hayabusa. Why?
भाई
Bec- the only reason was because he said the price is going up by 2 lakh rupees if you don't buy it pre GST. That one reason. I don't know how to ride. I don't know how to ride properly. I know how to ride. I've ridden this 5 years, but that is the reason. Now we will talk more in the office because it's very hot here. No AC, bro. We'll go up.
या विल गो
Okay. Phew. Oh, you're still rolling.
या
Show my t-shirt, bro. Hello, we sell these t-shirts. If you buy, I can buy one more Hayabusa. एक और खरीद लूँगा. T-shirt
टर्न
खरीदो. Turn. No? We make this and sell. So if they buy, I'll get. Ah, sit. Sit, bro. You can't sit and shoot. You're still rolling. This is, this is the amount of work I have to do to buy that bike. So if people keep watching, I will give फर्स्ट हाउ टू राइड हायाबुसा बिलो 60 फॉर 1 ईयर. एक साल के लिए 60 के ऊपर जाएंगे ही नहीं. करेक्ट नो? और आई शुड गो अबव 60.
आई थिंक सो अबव 60 यू कैन आल्सो गो
ओके 80 मैक्स.
कैन गो 100 आल्सो
इंडिया लिमिट 80 बॉस. वी आर प्राउड इंडियंस विल गो एट 80 ओनली. सो दिस वाज ओनली बिकॉज यू थिंक 2 लाख बनने पे आई वुड बाय अ बाइक. दिस बाइक इज बिन अ चाइल्डहुड ड्रीम फॉर एवरी गाय. सबको बचपन में हायाबुसा चाहिए थी. यू ऑल्सो वांटेड.
या
यू सॉ जॉन अब्राहम.
या
धूम का जॉन अब्राहम सबको बनना है, पर मेरे को बनना है धूम का अली. यू नो अली? यू डोंट नो अली?
नो
धूम में सेकंड कैरेक्टर आफ्टर अभिषेक बच्चन हीरो,
ओके
वो था अली. तो ये बाइक अली भी चलाया है. अब अली इसलिए क्योंकि जॉन अब्राहम जैसी साइज नहीं है. अली जैसी तो है ही, बाल नहीं है उसके जैसे, पर बन जाएंगे. तो द होल पर्पस एंड वाई टुडे, बिकॉज 15 days पितृपक्ष श्राद्ध नॉर्थ इंडिया में बोलते हैं चल रहे थे. टुडे आज है थर्ड डे ऑफ नवरात्रि. नाउ द प्रॉब्लम इज आई एम लुकिंग एट यू नो, सो इंग्लिश इज कमिंग आउट.
या
इफ इट वाज सम हिंदी पर्सन, हिंदी वुड हैव कम आउट. वी आर वेरी अडेप्टिव. तो आज हायाबुसा इसलिए ले रहे हैं क्योंकि आज है नवरात्रि. अब हायाबुसा ले लेंगे, सब हेल्प करेंगे कि हेलमेट कौन सा लें, चप्पल कौन सी लें, जूता कौन सा लें. किसी ने मेरे को बोला चड्डी पहन के नहीं चलानी है, इसलिए आज पैंट्स पहनी है.
चड्डी नहीं भाई
हीटिंग प्रॉब्लम है उसमें.
ओ
लेग्स विल बर्न. तो उसके लिए क्या ये पैंट पहनी. ये नॉर्थ स्ट्रीट की आज ही पहली बार न्यू प्रोडक्शन पहली बार निकाला है. पहले जूते की दुकान थी, अब स्ट्रीट वेयर कर दी. वेट, नाउ वी विल डू ब्रांडिंग. सेम टी शर्ट से.
नाइस द प्रिंटिंग इज आल्सो नाइस नो
This is full hand embroidery, hand, not machine. See, embroidery I'll show.
या
Tag, branding, made in India by Indians. 995 rupees only. तो जितनी ज़्यादा बिकेगी उतनी ज़्यादा बाइक में ले पाऊंगा.
कम विल गो देयर एंड सी
Is it raining or what? We'll see. If it's raining, it's pointless to go figure out. We'll take vlog there now. You cut it full mood off. It is 2:20.
Okay, we have to wait for them.
I don't know, bro. Where are those people?
Call them once.
Wait.
Put in a loudspeaker.
I'll call Suzuki first. Is the bike ready for delivery?
Yeah, yeah.
You don't show my phone because it's his phone number. Simply
No,
leak.
no. I'm not sure.
I'll go to Suzuki only.
Suzuki, yeah.
Uh,
We'll call him first.
him only I'm calling. He's not picking.
Not sitting.
The person you're calling. See, he had texted me
Uh,
saying you come at 3:30.
uh,
But I told him 2:30 3 days back. Now if we go there and if he tells 3:30,
that is the problem.
hey ले आया फुटवेयर भी पूरा रखते हैं यहाँ प्रिंट आउट निकालेंगे थोड़ी देर में माल निकाल दिया नॉर्थ स्ट्रीट का पूरा
Oh, new stock came?
this only we are sending to store
Oh, nice.
Sunday 1 year we are turning event is there also you have to be there full day you know
Yeah, I know, I know.
already informed
Yes, you were saying something.
what nonsense now
I
this
think so. We'll go there and we'll see what is the update.
bro wait that other videographer he's like hello yes sir okay it's raining huh? Oh. Till 6 o'clock sir these guys will kill me no chance sir. Today if I don't take it I can't take it for 10 days
Midnight also will take today only.
okay sir but I've hired 2 cameramans and come okay 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 my office power is there sir
It will come 6:30. It will come.
but my building full power is there
Here, this area, this line.
okay so you
This
don't
line,
have
entire line.
generator no nothing sir
Sir, generator is there. Still we run there. Even that also got over heavy shade. Till morning onwards, it is going and coming.
okay
Entire building is there is no power.
what do we do sir out
Shall we keep in a evening?
sir, I have paid them hourly basis one guy will run away at 3:30 is outside your showroom only
Okay.
so we can take outside the showroom we'll wait for the rain to stop
Okay.
I'll take it outside the showroom
No, outside is very dirty, sir.
no problem sir now what can 10 days I will be stuck if I don't take it today
No. Okay, let's plan something. Wait, sir. Let's plan something. Wait.
what I'll do I'll come down
I'm very much excited. By the way, which color is that?
color surprise when we go there for you also surprise
Oh, is it?
ah
Can I guess the color?
guess
Think so, blue?
blue discontinued bro there's only black matte green silver
I think so. You don't have green color, so you go for green.
see that you will know in Suzuki now problem is we hired one cinematic graphic team which does delivery videos he's texted me 2:15 I'll be there it is 2:16 now I can't say anything also because I've paid advance now how many minutes vlog we have done
5 minutes 24 seconds.
that's all
Yeah.
how much to talk to that bloody black camera
You can talk.
now what else to say
We'll ask your dad how Oh, exactly.
One putty he'll give you and me and tell fuck off, go do work. We have to pay for the bike. He'll tell all this nonsense I don't like.
We'll ask your staff how exactly.
Nobody knows. It's surprise for everybody. Nobody knows which bike it is. Full surprise.
Okay.
So that is the purpose. Now I've started this channel. ये channel चालू इसलिए किया है क्योंकि इसमें मैं बाइक, कार, घड़ी यही दिखा सकता हूँ. पर्सनालिटी नहीं है तो ये सब ही दिखाना पड़ेगा. तो we'll add that cinematic graphic shots you took of 3 bikes down. Then we'll add this and we'll make one vlog. If I get motivation, only motivation, 1,000 views on first vlog, I will call Harshit and shoot second vlog. Till I don't get
Definitely. I learned full marketing idea.
full promotion here only. See,
Promotion I learned it.
your editor can put my Instagram here. No followers also should come.
Yeah. Okay.
See, till I don't 1,000 views नहीं आया तो क्या फायदा काम धंधा रोक के ये सब करने
At
में.
least 600, 700.
1,000 bro, minimum 1,000. Okay, on this vlog 200 views. On one cinematic graphic reel we'll post, no, on that 2,000 views.
Ah,
That's all. Weekly once I'll call you then,
okay.
and I'll keep doing this.
Okay.
Now the plan is, how do we go to Suzuki, which is one gully away? Should we go in car, bike, my grandfather's bike?
I think so. 3 bikes are there, no?
Ah.
We'll go in that one. Full mass will enter with you.
No,
Full area people recognize. Full mass entry will give.
their cops also will be ding, dang, dang. They'll do. One bike can't be registered also. That is the problem. It's antique.
It is fine. We'll pay the fine also.
If they seize,
We'll make another block.
I don't want, bro. Bike got seized while taking delivery of a bike. Next title. This title will be. समझ गया. वायर तो पीछे छुप जाएगा ना. तो सामान पीछे ठंडा है ना. Sit from there, Ashit. पक यही लगा हटा लो. Enough, Ashit. We'll see. Today, like this only, we'll tell him put it in your lift and then his lift won't work because no power.
Yeah.
Until 6:30 I should keep you here. Those people won't wait, no. They're coming.
Otherwise, you ask him